Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset QuickBooks Online. First, understand that resetting your data is a significant action. Always back up your current company file before proceeding. Ensure you have full administrator access to your account, as this is required for any major changes. This initial preparation helps prevent data loss and ensures a smooth process. QuickBooks Online offers a few ways to achieve a reset. You can choose to delete all existing data, effectively starting fresh, or create an entirely new company file. For accounts less than 60 days old, a simple purge option is available. Older accounts might require a different approach, often involving a new subscription or specific data deletion steps. To purge company data for newer accounts, you'll navigate to a specific URL. This action permanently deletes all transactions and lists, leaving only your chart of accounts. Confirm your decision carefully, as this process is irreversible. The system will then take some time to complete the data removal, after which your company will be essentially empty. After a successful data reset, you're ready to begin with a clean slate. You can import essential lists, such as customers, vendors, and products, to quickly populate your new company. Next, set up your chart of accounts and enter any opening balances. This allows you to configure QuickBooks Online precisely to your current business needs, ensuring accuracy from day one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.